Hello friends, now I'm going to start my new video which is on magnets, and it is also additional with some practical. So in this video I'm going to explain how the magnet works and what are magnets. So basically I will first show what is the practical about. So here is a piece of something. So can you guess what is it in my hand? And these are some safety pins and I'm getting close to them. So can you see that these are attracting to it? So as you can see, this means that these pins are made of iron and this piece of something is an magnet. So a magnet has lots of properties which we learn from this PPT and from some practicals. So let's begin. So as you can see, the first topic is what are magnets. A magnet is any object that produces its own magnetic field. Like, I will explain this fact. If there is a magnet in my hand, it has two poles. One is a north pole and one is a south pole. So, there are magnetic rings. Like, this is magnet shape of ring. So, there are also rings that are going through it. But we cannot see them because they are called magnetic fields. So these fields are rotating around this magnet in two directions. One is rotating in this one and one is from this one. So these fields interact and attract the other magnets. And these fields also help to repel them. Now I will tell you what are attraction and repulsion. So now the other fact is that it has two poles, as I told, a north pole and a south pole. They are made of different shape of sizes. Like here it is shown that this is an bar magnet and here is a horseshoe magnet, and like this also it is a ring magnet. So some magnets are U-shaped magnets, bar magnets, ball magnets, etc. So magnets have different properties. They attract to unlike poles and they repel to like poles. These two are the main properties of the magnet. Now I will tell how these works. Like my magnet here is attracting. So it means that the north pole of this magnet is attracting the south pole of this magnet, because the unlike poles of all magnets attract, and as the fact here says that repel like poles, and which means that if there is north pole on this magnet and a north pole on this magnet, these will not attract, these will repel each other. If they are split apart, they are still have two poles. If I will break this magnet into more two parts, then it will still have one north pole and another south pole. They only attract to materials like iron, steel, metal, etc. So like I showed, these pins were attracting to this magnet. It means that these are iron, steel or another thing which attract to a magnet. But they don't attract to some materials like plastic, wood or paper. Like this table is made of wood, and if I will take this to here, it is not attracting. You can see here, it is not attracting, but it is attracting to it. So types of magnets. There are lots of magnets, but main are natural magnets and a man-made magnet. So like this rock is a natural magnet which is found in volcanic areas underneath the earth or above the earth's surface. And these magnets are made by humans, like this one which is in my hand. The biggest magnets. So if you see, the earth also has a magnetic field which rotates around it and protects us from the UV rays of the sun and harmful flares. So, and this is a pulsar or anything in the space which rotates very fast, creates lots of magnetic fields which rotate and attract lots of iron and different particles. So these are stars and other things, and planets, moons also have magnetic fields like a magnet in my hand. These are just the biggest magnets of the space. So thank you for watching my channel, and please subscribe the channel and like this video and also comment the channel.